A commenter asked, "Do you think God picks favorites?" Here's an analogy. Imagine a father with 3 children, and in front of the other 2, he tells one of them, "You are my favorite." Now ask yourself, what would that do to the other 2 children? It could create hurt, jealousy, even anger. Wounds that turn into resentment, the kind that can last a lifetime. Now, what would it do to the one called the favorite? It could build ego, a sense of being above the others. It could even create conflict and being challenged. Now, what would that create in the family? Not harmony, imbalance. A loving father knows the hearts of all his children. He feels what they feel, and he would not create that kind of division. Now think about the source of life, the same breath of life that moves through every person, every animal, every tree, every star. If everything comes from the same source, would the source favor one expression of itself over another? That would be like the ocean saying one wave matters more than the rest. Now, if a loving father wouldn't do this, and the source of life wouldn't do this, you are left with one question: who would?